What is temperature? Some days make you sweat, other days make you shiver. Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold it is outside. Measuring temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. A thermometer is a tool that measures temperature. A thermometer is a scale. Liquid inside moves up and down. The liquid expands when it gets hot. The liquid takes up less space when it is cool. Hot temperatures. Some places can reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Death Valley in California is one of the hottest places on Earth. Sometimes extreme heat lasts for days in a row. This is called a heat wave. People must not stay outside for too long. Heat stroke can happen. Cold temperatures. In cold climates, temperatures often drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the coldest cities is Oymyakon, Russia. A sudden stretch of cold weather is called a cold spell. Wind makes the cold feel even colder. This is called wind chill. It is a good idea to stay inside on freezing days. The other option is to cover up for the cold. Frostbite can hurt bare skin. Checking forecasts. Meteorologists guess high and low temperatures every day. Check their forecasts to know how to dress for the weather.